The ocean depths, a place of mystery, of wonder, and unimaginable pressure. Few places on Earth captivate the imagination like the Mariana Trench. This vast underwater canyon plunges deeper than Mount Everest is tall. It's a realm of perpetual darkness, where sunlight never reaches. Join us as we journey to this alien world, exploring its secrets and the strange, wonderful creatures that call it home. The Mariana Trench is a place of extremes. Crushing pressure, freezing temperatures, and complete darkness define this alien environment. Yet, even here, life finds a way. Strange and wonderful creatures adapted to these harsh conditions thrive in this abyssal world. Our journey takes us to the very bottom, the Challenger Deep. This is the deepest known point on Earth. Here we'll encounter bizarre bioluminescent fish, giant amoebas, and otherworldly creatures that defy our understanding of life. The Mariana Trench is a reminder of how much we still don't know about our planet. It's a place of ongoing discovery, where each expedition reveals new species and unlocks further secrets of the deep. The Mariana Trench isn't a straight line. It snakes across the ocean floor for over 1,500 miles. It's a crescent-shaped scar carved into the Earth's crust. This immense trench lies east of the Philippines. It's located in the western Pacific Ocean. The trench's existence was first hinted at in the late 19th century. The HMS Challenger, a British survey ship, recorded surprisingly deep soundings in the area. It wasn't until 1951 that the trench's true depth was measured. Using sonar, researchers aboard the USS Challenger, a fitting namesake, determined the depth to be nearly 7 miles. This discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. It was a stark reminder of how little we knew about our planet's oceans. The Mariana Trench became a prime target for exploration, a chance to peer into an alien world right here on Earth. The race was on to reach the bottom of this unexplored abyss. It would be almost a decade before humans would venture into the trench's depths. The year was 1960 and the world held its breath. January 23, 1960. The bathyscaphe Trieste prepared for its historic descent. On board were Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh. Their target, the Challenger Deep. The descent was fraught with danger. The pressure at those depths is over 1,000 times that at sea level. One tiny leak would have spelled disaster. For nearly 5 hours they descended into the abyss. The darkness was absolute. Finally, they touched down on the ocean floor. The depth gauge read 35,814 feet. They had reached the bottom of the world. The Mariana Trench is an environment of extremes. The most obvious is the immense pressure. At the bottom of the trench, the weight of the water above is equivalent to having 50 jumbo jets piled on top of you. Then there's the darkness. Sunlight can't penetrate further than a few hundred feet below the surface. Below that, the trench is shrouded in perpetual night. The water is near freezing, hovering just above the freezing point of salt water. These conditions make the Mariana Trench a challenging environment for life. Yet, as Piccard and Walsh observed, life finds a way. Over millions of years, creatures have evolved unique adaptations to survive in this unforgiving abyss. These adaptations are both fascinating and bizarre. They provide a glimpse into the incredible resilience of life and the power of evolution to shape creatures to fit even the most extreme environments. Section 5. Life finds a way. Bizarre creatures of the trench. The creatures that inhabit the Mariana Trench are unlike anything found in shallower waters. They've adapted to survive in complete darkness, crushing pressure, and scarce food. Many are bioluminescent, using light-producing organs to attract prey or mates. Among the most iconic denizens of the trench is the anglerfish. This fearsome predator lures prey with a bioluminescent lure dangling from its head. Giant amphipods, crustaceans resembling oversized pillbugs, scavenge the ocean floor. Then there are the xenophyophores, single-celled organisms that are among the largest known. These bizarre creatures have been found in abundance in the Mariana Trench, where they feed on sediment and bacteria. These are just a few examples of the strange and wonderful life forms that call the Mariana Trench home. Each new expedition reveals new species, highlighting the incredible biodiversity of this seemingly desolate environment. The trench is a testament to the power of life to adapt and thrive in even the most challenging conditions. Section 6. Whispers from the Deep, the Bloop and Other Sounds. The Mariana Trench isn't a silent world. In fact, it's surprisingly noisy. Underwater microphones have picked up a variety of strange and sometimes unsettling sounds emanating from the depths. There are the groans and rumbles of tectonic plates shifting. The calls of whales and other marine mammals echo through the water. And then, there's the bloop. This ultra-low frequency sound was recorded in 1997 by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA. It was incredibly powerful, much louder than any known animal call. Speculation ran wild. Could it be a giant squid, an unknown sea monster? While the bloop remains unidentified, scientists believe it was most likely the sound of a large iceberg fracturing. However, the mystery surrounding the sound captured the public's imagination, fueling fascination with the unknown depths. The Mariana Trench, it seemed, was not only a place of scientific wonder but also a breeding ground for myths and legends. Krakens and Leviathans, myths of the Mariana Trench. The ocean depths inspire fear and awe. The Mariana Trench, with its unimaginable depths, has become the subject of numerous myths. One enduring myth is the Kraken, a legendary sea monster. Sailors reported encounters with massive tentacles dragging ships to their doom. While giant squid exist, none rival the Kraken of legend. Then there's the Megalodon, a prehistoric shark. Some believe they could still lurk in the unexplored depths. These myths highlight our fascination with the unknown. Section 8. The Deep's Bounty, Potential Resources and Exploitation. The Mariana Trench, despite its extreme conditions, isn't devoid of potential resources. Scientists believe the trench could hold vast reserves of valuable minerals, including manganese nodules, cobalt crusts, and even rare earth elements. These resources, used in everything from electronics to renewable energy technologies, are in high demand globally. This has led to growing interest in deep-sea mining, with some companies already exploring the feasibility of extracting minerals from the ocean floor. However, the potential environmental impacts of deep-sea mining are poorly understood. Disturbing the delicate ecosystem of the trench could have unforeseen and potentially devastating consequences. The question then becomes one of balance. Can we harness the potential resources of the Mariana Trench without irrevocably harming this unique and fragile environment? It's a question that requires careful consideration and further research before any large-scale exploitation takes place. Section 9. Unseen dangers, pollution, and the abyssal ecosystem. The Mariana Trench may seem like a remote and pristine environment, but even this remote corner of the ocean is not immune to human impact. Pollution, particularly plastic waste, has been found even in the deepest parts of the trench. Studies have shown that deep-sea creatures are ingesting microplastics, tiny particles of plastic that have broken down in the environment. The long-term effects of this on deep-sea ecosystems are still unknown, but it's a stark reminder that our actions have far-reaching consequences. Climate change also poses a threat to the Mariana Trench. As the ocean absorbs more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, it becomes more acidic. This acidification can harm corals, shellfish, and other marine organisms, potentially disrupting the delicate balance of the trench's ecosystem. Protecting the Mariana Trench and other deep-sea environments will require a global effort to reduce pollution and mitigate the effects of climate change. It's a responsibility we all share to ensure the health of our oceans for generations to come. Section 10. Mysteries remain unanswered questions of the deep. Despite decades of research and exploration, the Mariana Trench still holds many secrets. We've only scratched the surface of understanding this vast and complex ecosystem. Many questions remain unanswered, fueling further scientific inquiry. What other strange and wonderful creatures await discovery in the trench's depths? How do organisms survive the extreme pressure and darkness of this environment? What is the true extent of biodiversity in the trench? The list goes on. The Mariana Trench is a reminder that we still have much to learn about our planet. It's a place of ongoing discovery, where each expedition has the potential to rewrite our understanding of life on Earth. Section 11. A Call to Explore. The Future of Mariana Trench Research. The Mariana Trench, with its extreme environment and unique inhabitants, offers a wealth of opportunities for scientific research. Further exploration of the trench is crucial to expanding our knowledge of marine biology, geology, and the limits of life itself. New technologies, such as autonomous underwater vehicles and remotely operated vehicles, are making it easier and safer to explore the deep ocean. These robots can withstand the crushing pressure of the trench, allowing scientists to study this extreme environment in greater detail than ever before. As we continue to explore the Mariana Trench, we're likely to uncover new species, discover new ecosystems, and gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. The abyss gazes back, inviting us to delve deeper into its mysteries and unravel the secrets of the deep. The journey has just begun.